Go ahead.
This is my deck profile. Wind-ups.
Yep, wind-ups. 3 red. Awesome play. 3 shark. First turns.
From an obelisk.
2 hunter.
Don't need 3, it sucks.
Yeah, because
Yes.
2 magician helps.
Obelisk.
What? Weird. Only thing I can get over Thunder King.
Oh yeah,
It's up for Cyber.
and it makes your level 5s. Other than shark.
Rabbit, trying
Rabbit.
to get 2, so if you got one, please help me, bro. Kitty, adorable, helps. See, it's a cute thingy.
Wait, what does it do?
When it's summoned, it pops 1 card back to your one face-up monster your opponent controls to your hand or something.
Oh, that's good. It's okay.
2 Thunder Kings.
Yes, Thunder King's the shit.
Annoying.
It really is. 2 Valor, better because priority's gone.
They gate it.
Kills all the wind-ups in your match.
It does. Cyber Dragons. Normally people side those, right?
I know. It's just until I get
2 factories, because 3 you deck out. Staples,
I don't
MSTs.
like 3 in this deck.
You just need 2's good. 2's are awesome. Smashings,
Amazing
get over
card.
walls,
Helps.
really helps.
What?
When you're winning and
Heavy Storm, Staple, Hollow Avarice, Staple. In some decks.
Dark Hole also trying to upgrade, so
Oh wait, trying to get Hollow?
yeah. No, I'm not like
Reborn.
Also trying to upgrade.
To a Hollow. Book,
I really don't need to upgrade that because
'Cause
it's
it's-
rare.
yeah.
Mirror
Chinese
Force.
always better. Mirror Force is Staple. Torrential.
Oh, wait, you know what? I did this wrong. Sorry.
Doesn't really matter, you already showed them.
Alright, we're gonna redo that. Traps don't matter. Triple Solemn,
Triple Sound. What you need?
D Prisms.
2D Prisms. 3 is overkill. Dark Bribes.
Also trying to change into Fiendish Chains.
Why not?
Coming out in the Samurai deck.
Yeah.
Mirror Force and Torrential.
Yes.
Steep. Alright, that's my deck, guys. And here's the extra deck. 3 carrier.
What you need?
Is it male?
Helps destroy background with a Raiko set.
Is it master? Just helps when I have no level 4, rank 4 rank seats.
Utopia. Staple, kinda.
Trying to get Chaos. I recently sold mine. Trying to get another one. Acid Golem.
Is that from the Shonen? Yeah.
Yeah. Gigaboy it. Bought.
It helps.
3 Leviathan. Trying to get rid of these 2 or upgrade. I don't know what I'm going to do with the Leviathan.
Tyrus. It's kind of
And
broken.
from the preview, Futon Tilapia thing.
Is that a rare? No.